Hello everybody, this is Vegas Bill, and today we're looking at the Memorism Multifunctional Grooming Kit, the model number Blizz GS5. This has quite the accessories. Look at all of this here. This is a incredible piece for your face and your body. It has many different attachments here.
And it's priced nicely too.
Yes, it's very easy to interchange the different pieces. And you can turn it on like this, and this tells you how much time is remaining. And you can either charge it in the case.
It charges only in the case.
And look at all these attachments you can put on here. So you can have very close to the face or head, or much longer. Here's a brush. Here's also a carrying case that you can fit all of this stuff in for the Memorism Grooming Kit. And now we're going to replace this. This is a great gift or great for yourself. The Memorism Multifunctional Grooming Kit, Blizz GS5.